Hi everyone, welcome into Playwright tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to set up a base URL in Playwright. One of the simplest way but powerful to clean up your test code. By using a base URL, you can avoid repeating long URLs in every test and make your script much easier to maintain. So let's begin. Create a new test file, right click on test folder, new file, and then enter file name baseurl dot spec dot ts. This is our test file. Copy this one and enter here. Remove this one and change the test case name base URL configuration. Now remove all this one, and here you can view this is the base URL https playwright.dev. Open VS Code and open this file playwright.config.ts. In this file, we can define the base URL. Enter here base URL and then enter base URL here. Save this file. Just enter here comma and save this file. Now enter here just slash, because we have already defined base URL here. In this test case, we do not need to enter complete URL, just enter slash here. Now run the test. For running the test, open terminal, click on view and then click on terminal, enter command here npx playwright test and then enter file name. File name is baseurl.spec.ts and then enter here head project chromium. Click on enter. For run the test. In this scenario, it will navigate to the base URL. Running test and it will open the base URL. As you can view, it open URL. Let's add pause here. We can add here await page dot pause. Now save this file and again run the test. Running test, it will navigate to the base URL. Running one test using one worker, and here you can view, open this base URL and here we add await page dot pause. So it will add pause here. Now add another test case. Suppose you do click on this one, want to click on community. Okay, so here this is path. We can add this path in another test case. We do not need to define the complete URL. Here we will add another test case here and just enter this path here and remove this pause. Save this file and remove slash from here. Let's again run the test. Running test, it will navigate through the base URL and then it will open community page. Here we are getting an error. As you can view, duplicate test title base URL configuration, because we need to change test case name here. Open community page. Now again run the test. Make sure you enter here different test case name. Otherwise, the test case will be failed because duplicate test case name. Now we have total 2 test cases. Navigate to the base URL and then open this community page. And then it will add some pause here because we have defined await page dot pause. You can also skip the test case. So you can also skip the test case. As you can do, report automatically open because I have defined report should be open after test execution. In previous tutorial, I have explained in a detail about reporter. So you can watch this video. Now skip this test case. Suppose you want to run only specific test case. So you can also add here test dot only, or you want to skip this test case. So this test case will be skipped and only this test case will be executed. Now we can add here test dot only. In this scenario, only this test case will be executed. It will navigate to the base URL. Let's again run the test. Running test, as you can view here, running one test using one worker. Navigate to this URL. Only execute one test case and report automatically open. Past one. So that's how you can set up and use a base URL in Playwright. This small configuration can save you a lot of time in real projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Playwright and automation testing tutorials. See you in the next video.